I will now open the live chat. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this live trading session. Waiting for MSS. Yeah, indeed, it is looking pretty good. We can see that it's giving an MSS now, but we need to wait and see if the fair value gap will be confirmed. If yes, then we might have a setup. Okay, so yeah, let's focus on the watch list pairs right now. On EU, we took out this liquidity level, also rejecting from an H1 demand, looking pretty beautifully. Looks like we're having an aggressive MSS now as well. We also had a liquidity run over here on the 5-minute and also over here. Okay, so looking pretty good. EU is looking pretty juicy, I'm not gonna lie. We'll see if we'll have the VVG confirmed over there, depending on how this 5-minute candle will close. Hopefully it's gonna be a decent sized fair value gap. That's what I'm willing to see. Apart from that, on GU also looks pretty interesting. Okay, we have a beautiful H1 sweep, as we can see by the wicks. And now on the 5-minute, we are waiting for an aggressive shift. Okay, I would like to see this high being broken impulsively, and then we could most likely look for a setup. On US 30, we kind of already have a setup, guys. Okay, we can see we also had a liquidity run over here as well. Okay, first fair value gap, second fair value gap over here. Entry would be on the second fair value gap, but let's wait for the stock exchange to open. We also have a liquidity run over here on GU. Let's quickly mark it. And yeah, GJ is currently in between these two liquidity levels. Same goes for gold, same goes for USHEF, and same goes for NASDAQ. But we should keep our focus on these three pairs for now, because as we can see, Euro USD looks like it's going to give us a setup. Okay, yesterday it gave us a record-breaking setup. So let's see, back-to-back winning trades on EU. That would be something to be really happy about. But anyways, this week started off very nicely yesterday with that win. Super happy, super thankful for it. GU looks like it might give us a setup as well. But yeah, we also have SMT. Okay, we can see that this low here 14.55 and this low here 14 no, not really. We do have a small SMT though. Okay, so guys, we do have a setup. We do have a setup right here on EU with the stop loss below this low, targeting to RR. Okay, so let me quickly send it. I need to be very, very fast and also calculate my lot size. Damn, price is moving pretty fast. Perfect. All right. Order has been placed. Let's see, guys. Looks like it will trigger us very, very soon. Yeah, I'm curious to see if we're going to get a tap in here. Yes, I know, Gregor, there is news in 30 minutes, but it's 30 minutes before the news, so I'm taking the setup. If this setup would have occurred, let's say 5 minutes before the news, I wouldn't have taken it. Okay, but like this, I am taking it. Let's check GU. Okay, we can see that GU hasn't broke structure yet. So yeah, I'm not gonna rush anything. And boom, check this out, guys. We didn't rush it, and stock exchange swept everything out. Okay, we avoided taking another loss. How? By sticking to our plan. Okay, we can see that US 30 liquidated every single buyer over here. So now what I want to do is I want to go on the hourly. I want to do these drawings over here. See, guys, how important it is to stay true to your plan. It's so crucial. So crucial. That's the new low. In terms of higher time frame confluence, do we have any? Nope, not really. Not really. So the only confluence could be a beautiful H1 sweep. Okay, so we have a beautiful H1 sweep, a plus potential depending on MSS. Okay, that's that on US 30. GU still no breakout, no break of structure. Oh, Euro USD almost tapping us in, and these other pairs, yeah, they're still in between, so nothing new on them. Okay, perfect. Now we shall wait and see if EU is going to trigger us, and I will film a super short market update for the people that aren't yet live with us to let them know how things are looking so far. Come on EU, don't give us a miss. I will be super annoyed if it literally missed us by this tiny bit and it goes straight towards the upside. Even though I shouldn't, because it gave us the most beautiful win possible yesterday, but still, it's really annoying to get missed by such a tiny bit. But let's see, it's still way too soon to speak. Okay, so check this out. We avoided rushing into GU and it looks like it was a great decision, okay? And looking at this correlation here, check this out guys. GU with EU, EU looks a lot stronger, okay? The euro is looking a lot stronger right now than the British pound, which is pretty good. So yeah, let's see. US 30 gave a beautiful wick here, liquidated some buyers. Now we shall see if it's going to give us an aggressive shift. GJ is still in between, gold in between, USHF in between, and Nasdaq in between as well. So for now guys, we should just sit on this EU chart and see if it's going to trigger us. I really like how the euro is holding its ground compared to the British pound. Okay, we can see it's a pretty huge difference on how they're holding their ground. So yeah, let's see. Hey Evan, how's it going, brother? Hello Dan, how's it going? I see we're already looking at a possible entry. Yes, we are, and here we go. Here we go. We finally got triggered. We finally got triggered in EU. So let's see. Now all the work is done. We just gotta embrace it and see how this setup will go. If it's going to be a winner, so be it. If it's going to be a loser, so be it. This was an A+ setup. Ticked all the boxes. So yeah, we'll just have to wait now and see how it plays out. Of course, the only downside is that we have news in 15 minutes, and that could be a bit of a gamble, but I respected my plan. This setup triggered 15 minutes before news, not 5 minutes. So yeah, we're good to go with it. Okay. We can remember that last week the session was really cool. It was a really profitable one, filled with action. Let's see. That doesn't mean that this one will be the same as well, of course. I want you guys to be aware of that, because I want you guys to use a proper risk. You know, I don't want you to go overboard with the risk just because, oh, last week Dan had a really good session with us on Tuesday, and because of that, now I am super confident and I will risk 2 times more, you know, because we never know. Today might be a choppy day. This trade might be a loss. Maybe I will get into another loss. Okay, that's just how trading works. So that's why it is very important to use a proper risk management and stick to it. The news have dropped as well. Oh, looks like a reversal so far, but it's too soon to speak. All right, let me check how they dropped. Okay, so the PMIs dropped negative for the dollar, so that's why the euro is pumping right now a bit. But once again, too soon to speak. The jolts are still pending, so that's gonna have a big impact as well. Still pending. But yeah, let's see. I mean, let's just check the other pairs as well. US 30, nothing. GJ in between. I will check the hourly very, very soon to see if we have anything new. But let's see. Oh, the jolts also negative for the dollar. So theoretically, EU should pump now. Theoretically, okay? But we'll see, of course. It looks like it's pumping. Let's see if we're going to hit the first TP, the first target. That would be very beautiful. Now let me go on the other pairs, check the hourly, see if anything has changed. Right here, we don't have a beautiful H1 sweep anymore because this H1 candle closed below the low. But we tapped into a hourly demand, okay? We tapped into a H1 demand on GU. So let's tap it in here, H1 demand. But let me go on EU because I think it smashed the first TP. Not yet. Not yet. Almost there, guys. Almost there. That'll be very beautiful. I'll be very happy to see it smashing the first TP. 4 hour nothing, daily nothing, but that is more than enough. So we have an H1 demand. So this is an A plus potential depending on the MSS, okay? On GU, that's that. Once again, hourly, nothing has changed in terms of levels. We can move on to US 30. On US 30, yes, this is a beautiful H1 sweep indeed, because it didn't close below it. 4 hour daily, nothing. So yeah, these things haven't changed on US 30 either. We'll just have to wait for a aggressive market structure shift if, of course, we'll get an A plus setup. So yeah, that's that. GU, we already analyzed it. US 30 as well. GJ, still in between these two liquidity levels. Looks like it's taking out the low very soon. Yep, it will take out the low very, very soon. Looks like it. What about gold? Gold is still in between, pretty much sleeping, as we can see, guys. Not much going on. USHEV is still in between, and lastly we have Nasdaq that is still in between, but Nasdaq put in a new low right here. Okay, so oh yo let's go. I was so focused replying to a important message on my phone that I didn't see euro dollar making this move. Wow, this is so cool. Come on, euro dollar. What is it? W again? Yes, guys, come on, spam the W. Spam the W in the chat, guys. Spam the like button, spam the W. I'm doing a short video. So, looks like euro dollar is giving us another beautiful win. Look at this beautiful bullish momentum. Everyone in the chat with the W's, come on. Come on, let's go, people, with the W's. Hey. Got it live on the trading session. Yeah, looks like back-to-back wins on euro dollar. Yesterday gave us a record-breaking win. In 2 minutes, it smashed the TP. The chat is going crazy with the W's. Yeah, I mean, it's going great. It is going great, guys. Look at this beautiful, beautiful reaction. Yeah, not much else to say. If you guys want to join us, you know where to find us, okay? Oh, looks like GU might give us a setup as well. Okay, we gotta be careful on that. But yeah, I'm just enjoying EU right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Check GU, bro. Don't forget him. Yeah, I will. Don't worry. And yeah, I mean, looks like GU is on the table as well, as we can see it here. This is the first fair value gap. Second fair value gap is right here, and that should be our entry. So yeah, I mean, this looks like a valid setup. This looks like a valid setup, guys. Over here, the TP is right here. Yeah, valid setup on GU, guys. Another eventful session, I would say. So yeah, let me what should I do first? Let me send it, and then I will calculate my lot size as well. Gotta be multitasking in this game. Yeah, looks like GU is giving us another VVG here. Okay, let me... I mean, of course we are in massive profits. GU left another VVG, but our entry will be still on the second one. So let's wait. It triggered? Yes, it did trigger. Okay, so we are in GU as well. First target will be around here, and then TP2 there. Okay, so we are in GU as well. Let me announce the people that didn't join the session that we're in GU, the people in my community. Looks like we have a beautiful H1 sweep right now. What about the 4 hour? What about the daily? Yeah, so the only confluence is a beautiful H1 sweep on GJ. Oh, gold took out the liquidity level as well, swept it by the wicks, as we can see. And in terms of higher time frame confluences, nope, don't have any. Same as GJ, beautiful H1 sweep. That's it. What about UCHEF? Oh, UCHEF took out the liquidity level as well. Looks like a beautiful H1 sweep right now. What about the 4 hour? Nothing. What about the daily? Nothing. Okay, so once again, same as the other two. It's a beautiful H1 sweep only as the confluence. And lastly, we have Nasdaq that also took out the liquidity level. Okay. It took out this low as well, which is pretty good. In terms of higher time frame confluences, nope, only the beautiful H1 sweep, and that's it. It looks like a pretty eventful day. Nice. GU having a pretty beautiful reaction right now. GJ flying, nice. Nice, nice. Oh, yep, indeed. It looks like we might have another opportunity. This day is mental, and looks like the TP1 was smashed, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, looks like US 30 might give us a shift. Okay, we should be careful over here. We also had a liquidity run over here. In terms of VVGs, this is the first one, and we do have a second VVG over here as well. To be honest, I won't take that one in consideration. It's too small for me to take it in consideration, but I'm not sure I would take this setup. I will tell you exactly why. I think the TP is past the opposite liquidity level, so yeah. I will keep an eye on US 30, but I'm not sure I will take it. GJ, on the other hand, if it breaks this level successfully with some volume, could be a valid A+ setup. Okay, but we'll have to wait. Gold, nothing right now. UCHEF, nothing. And Nasdaq, yes, it gave the shift, but like I said, if I would enter on the fair value gap, TP would be past the opposite liquidity level, so I'm not interested in that. Okay. Yeah, look at GU, guys. Look at GU. Looks like both of them will approach the full TP. Imagine 4R in one day. That's pretty mental. I'm not gonna lie. That's a pretty mental day, if I'm being honest. But yeah, it seems possible. Okay, so what do we have here? UCHEF might actually give us something. Okay, gold, no. Oh, GJ as well. What's going on, guys? The markets today are something else. US 30, like I said, entry would theoretically be on this fair value gap here, but the reason I'm not taking it is because the TP would be past the opposite liquidity level. Okay, so I'm not gonna bother taking it. GJ, on the other hand, looks like it's forming a setup as we speak. Okay, we also had some liquidity sweeps over here as well, which is great. And we have the shift right here, and it's been confirmed. Okay, we do have an aggressive shift. We do have an aggressive shift. Okay, first VVG is that one. Second VVG is this big, good looking one over here. And third PVG looks like it's going to be that one, but my entry would be on the second fair value gap, which is around here, okay? TP stop loss would be below this low, and then the TP would be the final one at 2RR. Okay, so yeah, another A+ setup. The reason I'm laughing is because it looks like we might have another A+ potential on USHEF as well. It depends on how we'll break this high here. I want to see a aggressive break above it. Okay, full body closure. And if I see that, we will take it. If not, I won't. Okay. Oh, never mind. USHEF is reversing, and this is a weak shift for me, hence why I will not take it. If it will close like this. Oh wow, look at GU, guys. Look at GU. GU is putting in some miles. Some miles and some smiles on our faces. Look at these two beautiful trades, guys. Isn't it beautiful? What a day. What a day. I mean, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. Let's see. We are at 66 likes. Come on, we are close. We are close to smash the previous record of 70 likes on the live. Let's see. But like I said, I'm not taking this setup on USHEF because it's a weak market structure shift here. Apart from that, it was looking really good, but I am respecting my plan, and it looks like the hourly candle will close in 20 seconds as well. So we will get more clarity on things. Hope it makes sense. I think GJ will become invalid, guys, because it's leaving a fourth fair value gap behind, and it looks like the move already happened without us. Hence why most likely will become invalid. But let's wait and see how this 5-minute candle will close. USHEF might become valid. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that as well. We have the liquidity here. Over here we have the BOS. And we also have some liquidity over here. That low. We have a low here. It's visible on the 1 minute. Okay. Just to clarify. US 30 nothing. Gold. Gold is actually giving a setup as well, guys. Okay, gold is giving a setup as well. We had some liquidity runs on the 5-minute as well. And we can see that we have the impulsive market structure shift over here. And we have the fair value gap right here, okay? So yeah, gold is giving us a valid A+ setup as well. Let's move it over here. Nasdaq, US 30, nothing. USHEF is also giving a setup. Okay, so USHEF and gold are giving us setups. GJ, on the other hand, is becoming invalid. Okay, so GJ, I will delete the setup over here. But gold looks like it becomes invalid because it's giving us a weak shift. Okay, I'm not willing to take this right now as it looks. Let's see. It depends. It depends on how this candle will close. So let's follow it closely and see how it will close. Looks like it's gonna close bearish, and that means that it's going to be a weak shift, a weak BOS, and I'm not looking to take that. Okay, yeah, I'm not looking to take gold. Yep, and I'm not taking gold. Okay, so this right here isn't an A+ setup. I'm not taking it. USHEF, on the other hand, gave us the aggressive BOS we waited for. Okay, so USHEF is now valid. Oh, come on. Yeah, tapped us in. Tapped us in, so we are in USHEF as well over here. 3 trades today, wow. Who would have, I think no one expected to have 3 trades today. I personally didn't, for sure. But yeah, like I said, I don't have a limit on how many A+ setups I am taking. Yeah, USHF is looking good. Looks like it will smash TP1 pretty soon. I mean, in the meantime, let me delete everything on these pairs where we had no setups today. That's NASDAQ, that's US 30, gold as well. Of course, on gold we avoided taking a loss, so props to us. GJ as well, no setups, and these are the 3 ones where we had setups today. Okay, and yeah, make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. We'll end it right here. Once again, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I hope you made good profits. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. So guess what, people? 1 minute left until we're ending the trading session, and we caught another sniper. 343 today, it seems. GU and EU, we already know about them. USHF just triggered, and so far it's looking like a beautiful snipe. People are still live. Hope you guys were able to attend it as well. If not, I think you can. I think you'll be able to watch it in your free time. And yeah, today was an amazing day. Okay, I'm super happy about it. And yeah, if you are in these trades, make sure to close partials to secure the break even, because now that the session has ended, this is what I would recommend you to do. Okay, so yeah, wishing you all the best and have a beautiful rest of your day. All right, so I thought to show you guys how these trades ended up running. So USD CHF, as we can see, ended up smashing my TP, almost caught $3,000 on this trade. On GBP USD, same exact story. We can see super beautiful sniper reaction, smashed my TP right here for a 2RR. In that day, I secured almost $6,000 in profits on my prop firm account. And this year so far, this was my most profitable day. Okay, I'm super happy about how it went. And then lastly, on EU, I had a bit of tough luck. We can see it barely missed my TP here for a beautiful 2RR. And this trade, it took me out at break even. I didn't want it to close any partials, but still it was an amazing day. You guys saw exactly why I took these trades, my thought process behind them. Many profits were made in my community as well. I know someone requested a $7,000 payout on that specific day after these beautiful profits. And yeah, it was a really beautiful trading session. And that being said, if you guys like these type of videos and you want me to do more, let me know down below and I'll make sure to check your comments out. Till the next time, I want to wish you all the best and take care.